Amaterasu Railway. This railway in Takachiho run across Gokase River Gorge. The train rides is around 30 minutes. This train runs on biodiesel, which is extracted from ramen. Unkai, or sea of clouds, usually appear during autumn. Cherry blossom will be beautiful during spring. The paddy fields terrace is also a beautiful sight. It will pass over a Wado River and the bridge is 105 meters high. When the train enter into dark tunnel, light display will be turned on. It is a wonderful experience.